All right, here I want to show you this really cool performance issue that I fixed during my time contributing at OpenCode. So here, after clicking the new workspace button in OpenCode, it takes 12 to 13 seconds on the desktop app to load, whereas after my fix, it takes only 3 seconds. Bam, way faster. First, let me explain what OpenCode even is. This OpenCode desktop application was essentially a Claude Code / Codex desktop app copy for open source, which I contributed to. And here we have a bunch of work trees for a repo that we can talk in to our agent. But what happens is when you click new workspace, it creates a new Git work tree for this repo. To fix the bug, I had to first figure out how the workflow works. So I figured out that when you click new workspace, a new directory is made. And once that new directory is made, the directory is populated with all the new files of the new Git work tree. But there's actually a race condition. While the directory is being populated with the files, before that happens, the directory is bootstrapped in the server. And when the directory is bootstrapped, it treats the directory as if it's already finished being made and populated with files. This causes a lot of issues. The biggest issues is this. So when you click new work tree, you can look, this is the logs. It is creating all of these file watcher updated events for all the new files in the new Git work tree. This should not happen. This should happen after the Git work tree is done being populated with the new files, but it does this because there's a race condition where the bootstrapping is finished before the folder is done being populated. So to try to explain the bug, I have this chalkboard here to draw it out. So what happens when you click new workspace is the client calls the server, which has a create work tree function, which returns before the files are done being populated. I think that they did this because they wanted the client to not have to wait for this function. It returns fast, and then it waits, the function itself waits, and then the server continues once the files are done being populated. But what happens when this returns fast, the client gets the information before the files are done being populated, and then it bootstraps here. So what my bug fix does to fix the race condition is we add a wait here to wait until the files are done being populated, so it bootstraps only after this finishes. So after my fix, clicking new workspace, the workspace creation is much, much faster. I had a lot of fun fixing this bug and learning the ins and outs of the OpenCode code base. My name is Nate Williams, and thank you for listening.